When I'm finished with the outside, I have a tip for you considering scraping. Every now and then you make yourself a bowl and then you sand it and you think, whoa, that looks beautiful. And then you put oil on it and then you think, where do these lines come from? I think you know that. They're pressure marks. Most of the time they're pressure marks. It means you pressed against the wood with the backside, with the downside of your bevel too hard. And you don't see it until you put oil on it. To avoid that, you can scrape the surface, of course. You can scrape the surface and you can use that to take your pressure marks out. It will leave you with a bit more sanding than when you make a proper cut with your gouge. You can do a little bit of shaping, but mostly what you do is actually sort of sanding with 60 grit, although a woodturner would never say that, of course. And now we go for the fine scrape, the Dutch way. This is a blade from a steel saw. Let me get a burr on that. There's the burr, and we'll make a very light scrape, a real finishing scrape. And I don't have to use my tool rest. There we go. You see what I take off? It's very fine. And it leaves you with a very nice finish. Shall I do that one more time?
Yes.
Hey, there we go. Move slowly. Done. Very smooth surface, like baby skin. So don't throw away an old metal saw blade. You can always use it to do something else with it. Scraping, for example. See you next time.